Hello, myself Anamta. I am from Rampur. I did my bachelor from Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad. So I am going talking about postmortem of politics. So first of all, we have talking about politics. Politics is an essential part for any democratic country in India. Without politics, no one can raise his voice against discrimination. So politics is a vital role in the democracy. So I am going to articulate my views on the topic of postmortem of politics. We are living in largest democratic country in India, and there are lots of political parties in which some of them play a very important role. Mm, we have freedom of expression, Article 19(1). By this article, we can raise our voice in the manner of law. But today in India, people are playing dirty politics. No one is doing which Baba Sahab Ambedkar taught us. No one is doing which Jawaharlal Nehru taught us. No one is doing which Mahatma Gandhi taught us. The bad politician change the mode of politics. The main elements of dirty politics is corruption. Politicians all around the world are famous for doing dirty politics. Even now, during this pandemic situation, this is not new with politicians. This has been happening for ages, for centuries, and continues to happen even now. Few states in India, like Rajasthan, facing total chaos during this pandemic situation. Unmindful of their responsibilities, and they were engaged in dirty politics according to their convenience and benefits. When the patients get to bed in the hospital, politicians are being accommodated to resorts. Is this the way to elect a representative to behave during this pandemic situation? If we postmortem of politics, so we find some important things. The constitution should amended in the political parties. The number of parties should be limited. The politicians should have educational criteria. The candidates should have their ability test. In the nutshell, I want to say the government should amend in the constitution and analyze the political parties and postmortem of politics, which create the potential growth is the going to the countries. Thank you.